Begin by ensuring that you won't be disturbed during this meditation. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and let your palms rest upward. Close your eyes and let's embark on this journey to find a peaceful, quiet moment away from the rushing world. Now, focus your attention on your breath. Notice its rhythm, the gentle rise and fall. Take a moment to take 3 deep, conscious breaths, fully immersing yourself in the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to be your anchor in this moment, grounding you in the present. Now shift your awareness to your body. Slowly start to scan your body, starting from the top of your head and moving downward. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort and consciously release them with each breath. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, arms, chest, stomach, your legs, down to your toes. Let every part of your body surrender any residual tension. If thoughts arise in your mind, gently set them aside for now. You can come back to them later. For now, allow this space to be a sanctuary of tranquility. Now, imagine yourself sitting in the middle of the vast ocean, floating effortlessly. The sun is setting, casting a warm, gentle light across the horizon. The sky is painted with hues of yellow, orange, and pink, creating a breathtaking display. The water surrounding you is completely calm, like a mirror, with only a few ripples breaking its serene surface. As you sit in this stillness, allow yourself to feel completely present in this moment. Listen to the gentle sound of the water. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, as if it is caressing you with its loving rays. This is a place of perfect peace, where time slows down and your worries melt away. Take a moment to deeply connect with the sensations that arise within you in this realm of profound tranquility. Notice how you are feeling in this utterly peaceful place, where serenity permeates every inch of your being. Let a sense of belonging wash over you, as if you have always known this place, this magnificent ocean. Allow a gentle sense of surprise to fill your heart as you realize that this tranquil oasis is not just an external space, but a reflection of your own mind in its purest and most fundamental state. This expansive calmness is a natural part of your being, a familiar home within the depths of your own mind. Feel a deep connection and resonance with this peaceful essence, as if it resonates with your very soul. Visualize your thoughts and worries dissipating, as if they are effortlessly absorbed by the serene expanse before you. Experience the profound freedom that comes from releasing the chaos and noise of the outside world, allowing your mind to settle into a state of tranquility and clarity. Feel the transformative power of this moment as every part of your body willingly surrenders any lingering tension, as if they were carried away by the gentle breeze that caresses your skin. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the embrace of this serene atmosphere. Stay here for a while in the depths of yourself, enjoying the beauty of your mind beneath the surface. Allow the peace to wash over you, cleansing your spirit and restoring your inner calm. Take this time to fully appreciate the stillness and clarity within you. When you feel ready to leave this tranquil oasis, express your gratitude to this place and yourself. Take a deep breath, inhaling the quietness that surrounds you, and carry it with you as you gradually reawaken to the external world. As if the image of the ocean starts to fade away, gently regain consciousness of your body. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gradually moving your limbs. Take your time to transition back, cherishing the lingering sense of peace within you. When you are ready, open your eyes, letting the light of the world slowly filter in. But retain a subtle connection to the serene ocean of tranquility that lies within your mind. Always remember that this profound serenity resides within you.